Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn about different phases of moon. So for this activity we'll be using this kit, so let's start the activity. So these things are required for this particular activity. Side of the thermocol ball. Just use a black marker that is in the kit and color black this thermocol ball. A straw is there in the kit. Insert from one of its end the straw into thermocol ball. This thing is done. Now we have to arrange all these things. Bring this thermocol ball straight in the view from this hole. Now what we'll see, the activity is all done, the things are all ready. Now what we have to do, we have to fix this white portion directly in front of the full moon, right? So I'll just turn this thermocol ball. Now here we have the full moon and directly in front of it we have given the full moon view. Now if I just see it like this, this gives me the full moon view. If I turn it in anti-clockwise direction, the next view that comes is waning ribbon. Then we have got the next view over here, that is the quarter. Then we have got the next view over here, waning crescent, new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous and full moon. So here like this we can have a visual view of all the 8 phases of the moon. So in this video you have learned about different phases of moon, and with the help of this activity we can see a real view of all the different phases of moon. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.